Hello everyone, it's Martha here with you, and I am so super stoked and excited because I just got my first design team package from Country Craft Creations, and I was sent the Simple Vintage Traveler from Simple Stories, and it is absolute perfection. It is so beautiful. This collection just makes me desperately want to get out my scissors and my scoreboard and just get to making something. So these papers are absolutely gorgeous, and we'll go into these in a second. So one of the things that I was sent is the layered frames, and I'm going to take them out and show them to you because they are absolutely gorgeous. Look at these. Can you even? I am beyond excited to work with this collection. Absolutely gorgeous, and they're really nice thick chipboard. I also got the Prima flowers in these beautiful like buttery yellow and this pink, and I don't know if you can really tell, but they're kind of shimmery and sparkly. Really beautiful. And then also the chipboard stickers, and some of them fell out back here. They're in there though. And I love this huge word travel. I think that is going to be on the front of my album. But look how beautiful these are. And then also I have these snap cards, and there's 48 pieces in here. And I think I might do a little something separate with these. So let me just open them up so you can see what's in here. So really, really cool. There's all these 4x6 ones. I think they're 4x6. Let me get my ruler here. They are... yeah, they're 4x6. So really cool, and they're just beautiful. And there's just so many of them. I want to make memories all over the world. I love that. I love traveling, so this is just so perfect for me. And these are the 4x4 ones. I won't go through them all, but just so you can kind of get an idea of what there is in here. Oh my goodness, just incredible. I love that one. Look at how incredible these are. Oh, not all who wander are lost. And then these look like little 2x2 ones, which are so cool. And then these are 4x6, or sorry, 3x4 these are. So they're both in separate packages, but look how incredible. You could almost make an entire project with just this one pack of stuff, just these little cards. So I won't take that other one out, but these are just fantastic. And then also I got the 6x8 pad. So this is really fantastic. Oh my goodness. This is just incredible. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Look at all these beautiful cut aparts. Just amazing. I love it. All right, let's look at the papers now. Just clean up some of this up here. So there's these 4x4 cut aparts, and it's got this really beautiful script on the back. And then there's these hot air balloons, and it's got like a map on the back. And then here's some little 2x2 cut aparts. And it's got this really fantastic polka dot on the back. And then these are the 3x4 cut aparts. And it's got like all these ticket stubs. And then there's some more hot air balloons there. And this really pretty soft pink. That's gorgeous. And there's these wonderful airplanes here. And this really beautiful stripe, diagonal stripe. And then here's some strips of words. And another really fantastic map. Love that one. Look at how beautiful this is. Wow, wow, wow. I just love it. And look at the back. Oh my goodness. That beautiful soft blue. The colors are so muted and soft yet bright at the same time. It's really hard to explain, and there's all these geotags. This is fantastic. I love that. Might have some ideas there. And then there's like this beautiful collage here, and there's some stamps there. And there's a globe. And this beautiful soft small dot pattern. And then here's the sticker sheet. Really amazing. Love that one. And then, so I think I have 2 of each sheet here, so that'll make for a really nice album. And then I have the Simple Stories 12x12 Basics Kit for the Simple Vintage Traveler. Sorry about that crinkling. So they're really nice, muted type patterns in here, but they still do have a print on them, but really super soft. Look at the pink. Oh, I love the pink in this collection. It is so soft. Love it, love it, love it. So those are the solids. And then I have also 2 sheets of some really nice medium weight chipboard here. So I cannot wait to get started on an album for you guys. I should be able to do more than just one project with all of these goodies. So stay tuned. And if you're coming from Country Craft Creations, to see my channel, I hope that you subscribe. And I hope that you're excited for what's to come with all the new design team members. I know that I am. There's just so much talent, and I cannot wait to get to know you guys and to create some wonderful tutorials for you. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.